Hello everyone. Welcome to Simple Knowledge. Today we will discuss about greatest spin bowlers of all time, which is part 2. Before beginning, request to subscribe my channel. So let's start.
4. Saqlain Mushtaq. Retired Pakistani right-arm off-break bowler Saqlain Mushtaq is best known for inventing the doosra. He was the quickest bowler to reach 100 wickets in the history of one-day internationals. He took 208 wickets in 86 innings out of 49 test matches he participated in from 1995 to 2004, with the best bowling performance in an innings of 8 164 and in a single test match of 10 155. Moreover, his test bowling average is 29.83, with an economy rate of 2.64. Mushtaq took 5 wickets 13 times and 10 wickets thrice in Test cricket. He also took 288 wickets in 169 ODI matches he played between 1995 and 2003 and achieved his best ODI performance of 520. Saqlain has a bowling average of 21.78 with an economy rate of 4.29 in ODI and also took 5 wickets 6 times in international limited over matches. Known for marking one of the best bowling figures in tests, Saqlain definitely deserves his place among the best spin bowlers of all time. 3. Anil Kumble. Retired right-arm leg break bowler and former captain of the Indian cricket team Anil Radhakrishna Kumble was one of the Wisden Cricketers of the Year in 1996. Besides, he became the 4th Indian cricketer to be inducted into the ICC Hall of Fame in February 2015. Anil took 619 wickets in 236 innings out of 132 test matches he participated in from 1990 to 2008, with the best bowling performance in an innings of 1074 and in a single test match of 14 149. His test bowling average is 29.65, with an economy rate of 2.69. Kumble took 5 wickets 35 times and 10 wickets 8 times in Test cricket. He also took 337 wickets in 271 ODI matches he played between 1990 and 2007 and achieved his best ODI performance of 6/12. Kumble has a bowling average of 30.89 with an economy rate of 4.30 in ODI and also took 5 wickets twice in international limited over matches. 2. Shane Warne. Legendary retired Australian right-arm leg break bowler Shane Keith Warne was named one of the Wisden Cricketers of the Year in the 1994 Wisden Cricketers Almanac. Interestingly, his retirement from professional cricket was described by the Australian captain Ricky Ponting as the end of an era. He took 708 wickets in 273 innings out of 145 test matches he participated in from 1992 to 2007. With the best bowling performance in an innings of 871 and in a single test match of 12 128. His test bowling average is 25.41, with an economy rate of 2.65. Moreover, Warne took 5 wickets 37 times and 10 wickets 10 times in Test cricket. He also took 293 wickets in 194 ODI matches he played between 1993 and 2005 and achieved his best ODI performance of 533. Warne has a bowling average of 25.73 with an economy rate of 4.25 in ODI and also took 5 wickets once in international limited over matches. 1. Muralidharan. Legendary retired Sri Lankan right-arm off-break bowler Muralidharan held the number 1 spot for test bowlers for a record period of 1,711 days in the International Cricket Council's player rankings. Moreover, he was named the greatest test match bowler ever by Wisden Cricketers Almanac in 2002. Muralidharan took 800 wickets in 230 innings out of 113 test matches he participated in from 1992 to 2010. With the best bowling performance in an innings of 951 and in a single test match of 16 220. His test bowling average is 22.72, with an economy rate of 2.47. Besides, Muralidharan took 5 wickets 67 times and 10 wickets 22 times in Test cricket. He also took 534 wickets in 350 ODI matches he played between 1993 and 2011 and achieved his best ODI performance of 730. Muralitharan has a bowling average of 23.08 with an economy rate of 3.93 in ODI and also took 5 wickets 10 times in international limited over matches. He is surely the greatest spinner in cricket history. Honourable mentions. Some of the honourable mentions, without whom the list will be a complete misery, are as follows. Pakistani former cricketer Mushtaq Ahmed Malik took 185 wickets in 52 Test matches and 161 wickets in 144 ODI matches. Former West Indies cricketer Lancelot Richard Gibbs achieved 309 wickets in 79 international Test matches and 2 wickets in 3 ODIs he played. Indian slow left-arm orthodox bowler Bishan Singh Bedi bagged 266 Test wickets in 67 matches and 7 more in the 10 ODI matches he contested. Former Australian right-arm leg spin bowler Stuart Charles McGill took 208 wickets in 44 Test matches and 6 wickets in 3 ODI matches.